Welcome to the City of Northport's Myakkahatchee Creek Water Treatment Plant. This is a conventional surface water treatment plant with a production capacity of 4.4 million gallons per day, which relies on the Myakkahatchee Creek as its primary water source. As with much of Florida, the Myakkahatchee Creek experiences seasonal variability in both flow and quality, which have historically presented challenges for the consistent and reliable production of water at full capacity.
Drinking water systems, especially in Florida, are very sensitive to the rainfall. During the rainy times of year, we could get 8, 9, even more inches of rain in a month. Now that is going to change on a monthly basis because you might get it all on one day, or you could get it periodically throughout every day, that afternoon shower. During those times of year, you're going to be relying more on your surface water system because you're going to be able to have so much water coming through the city of Northport in both the Cocoa Plum and the Myakkahatchee Creek. But during the dry times of year, we could get 1 inch, 2 inches. So you see the drastic change in the rainfall that we get from a month-to-month basis in the city. So during those times when we only get 1 inch or 2, sometimes there have been times when there's no flow in the Cocoa Plum, no flow in the Myakkahatchee Creek. During those times, we're going to be relying much more heavily on our reverse osmosis system. So rainfall is going to be the determining factor of how much dependency we'll have on surface water or how much dependency on the RO system. Now, another point of view is that we're very sensitive to the environmental impact of water use. So during the wet times of year, when we're not relying on the groundwater systems, that groundwater system is going to have the opportunity to recover from the withdrawals that you're going to be using during the dry times of year. So it's, again, a beautiful mix, not only from our needs, but from an environmental standpoint.
The City of Northport, with cooperative funding from the Southwest Florida Water Management, embarked on a 3-year assessment and pilot testing program to evaluate the effective application of reverse osmosis filtration in combination with groundwater wells near the Myakkahatchee treatment plant.
And that is being done by a program that's very impressive as to how we can blend the two water together in order to give that perfect water quality blend to our customers.
That assessment program has culminated in 2 very crucial projects for the City of Northport: the Myakkahatchee Creek Water Treatment RO Reliability Project and the Cocoa Plum Waterway Intake Structure. With cooperative funding from SWFWMD for the Reverse Osmosis Project and funding from the Environmental Protection Agency for the Cocoa Plum Intake Structure, the City of Northport is moving forward toward a future of consistent and sustainable water production.
During the dry times, we'd be able to sustain our water plant, our surface water plant, by drawing water from the Cocoa Plum. In addition, during emergencies, say in the past we've had tanker trucks that on I-75 has had an accident and actually had potentially contaminated the Myakkahatchee Creek. During those times, we'd be able to draw solely from the Cocoa Plum and keep our surface water plant in operation.
Upon the completion of both these projects, the City will be able to more efficiently treat water from the Myakkahatchee Creek and the Cocoa Plum Waterway at our existing water plant, and treat groundwater with our new reverse osmosis filtration system. By combining existing resources and technology with new alternative sources and facilities, the City will achieve its goal of the reliable and sustainable production of the best quality water possible for Northport citizens year-round.